Hello, this is Josh and I'm back from another video. Today I will be doing a Boeing quiz. Yesterday, or I may upload this on a Wednesday or a Thursday. A Wednesday or a Tuesday. But I did the Airbus video on Monday. So this is just like the other video. I will show you pictures and then you will try to figure out which one. Some are fairly easy. I know one, once you see it, you'll know. I'll give you barely enough time for that because if you're in the airplanes, you better know that. One of them is quite historic. So now let's get on to this. Let's start with this picture. This picture right here is Boeing's first passenger airplane. It's not considered as a 4-engine airplane because it is very old and retired and does not use high-tech engines. This is the Boeing 707. Let's move on to the next one. This one right here has 3 engines, as you can see. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is the Boeing 727. Then moving on to the next one. This one has only 2 engines. This one is the Boeing 717. I don't know why I said that strangely, but okie dokie. Moving on to the next one. This one right here. This one is a quite medium-sized or large one. This one is the Boeing 757. And moving on to the next one. This one right here. You may not get it, but this is a pretty historical one. You're probably not going to get it, but it's not in the 7 lines or the 700s. And it's not the 797. I don't think so. There's a 797, but I didn't include a 797 in this because I don't think there is a 797. Now I'm just saying 797 a bunch of times. This is the Boeing 314 Clipper. It's a 314 and it's not in the 7 line. On to the next one. This one. It's what I call its specialty is its curved wings. This is the Boeing 787. Now on to the next one, this one, which is a 2-aisle one. It is quite big. This is the Boeing 777, the Boeing 777. On to the next one, which is a widely used one. This one right here. In case you didn't get it, this is the Boeing 737. To the next one, this one right here. This is the Boeing 767. On to the next one. I am not gonna give you any hints at all because if you like planes, you better know this one, or else if you don't know it, you're lost. This one right here. Yep, you got it. The Boeing 747. It is the first airplane that is a double-decker in history. It has 4 engines, quad engine. And Boeing 747 is actually going into retirement. It has been serving for around 48 years now. Delta has recently retired its 747 and replaced it with Airbus A350. Well, this has been the outside of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.